Hello everyone, welcome to 5x Crypto, and today we will unbox this hardware wallet from Cypherock, and we will see exactly what you get when you order this Cypherock from the website. There are three variants of Cypherock X1: the basic, the standard, and the pro. And the good part is they recently announced huge airdrop for the Cypherock X1 community in collaboration with Canton Network. And there might be more collaborations like this and more airdrops for the Cypherock X1, but we never know, and treat this as a bonus because our main purpose is to safeguard our crypto assets. And for that, let's check out this hardware wallet. So this is the box that you will receive, and when we open this up, you get not this card. This card gets is inside. Actually, I just use this card for my payments, but you get this one at the top, and it has some stuff in it. It has the warranty card and the manual on how to use this, and also you get the stickers, these two stickers, and you get the user manual along with the warranty and the user manual. And these are the pouches for the cards that you are actually getting with this. So you would be getting four cards with this. These are the four cards. The one that I'm using is in this pouch, and these four cards along with this device. This is the hardware wallet that you can connect with the USB, and after that you can use it quite easily. It has this joystick that you can use to hover around different settings, and your pass key or your actually password is stored in these four cards and in this device. Not They are not stored in one place like all the other places, but they are actually stored on five different devices. So even if someone gets to hack one of your card, they will still not be getting the complete password of your account. So security is quite high with Cypherock X1. And also you get, when we remove this part, you get this USB as well. And with USB you get two different ends, the one with the normal USB one and the other one is C type. So you can purchase the other one as well if you require it, but in most of the cases you don't require all these stuff. There are three products for Cypherock X1. The basic one will be around $99 after the discount. Obviously you get one vault, the device, and the four cards and a USB kit. With the Cypherock X1 standard plan, you would be getting four cards, one hard case, and 3 years extended warranty. And for the Cypherock X1 Pro, you would be getting 1 year gold plan and the priority support. Also, the recent airdrop that is there, that we will talk about later in this video after a while, you would be getting extra benefits from that particular airdrop if you get the pro one, and you would be quite happy to see the rewards that they are claiming to give you on monthly basis. Yes, the rewards are on monthly basis, but I'm not sure how long they will be giving these rewards, as they have not released more details on this part. And if you want to get just the vault, then you can get it as well, or the cards as well. The other accessories are also there if you want to get them as well. You can use my referral link from the description or the comments below for additional 10% discount. And this is the reward program that I was talking about. It is the Canton Rewards program. You can register it for early access as well right now. And Canton Network is basically the only permissionless blockchain, and it is built for the institutional finance, and they provide the privacy as well along with scalability. And their native coin is the Canton coin that you will be getting as the reward. So they are claiming to give $1,500 per month if you get the Cypherock Pro, but the rewards are there with the basic versions of Cypherock X as well, but the Pro version gives you additional rewards. That's what the officials said. And under this program, you can earn the Canton coins with the Pro plan. Though over here they say rewards will be for the Pro people out there, the Cypherock X1 Pro users, but recently they opened up the rewards for everyone. So if you already have Cypherock X1, make sure to check this reward program out. And you would be getting the rewards for the user activity on Canton Network. and you can use your Cypherock X1 wallet, the hardware wallet, for the activity, and for that activity you would be getting the rewards. And not just Cypherock X1, but there is some wallet called Zoro wallet that you can use in order to increase your activity on Canton Network and get even more rewards. So it's all about the activity that you will be doing, but there are some conditions to it, like the pro version of it. So you can enhance your rewards by using the pro version. So here is more information. The basic Cypherock X1 will be making you eligible to earn the rewards, but Cypherock X1 Pro variant will qualify you for the Canton rewards multipliers through the app is just the SciSync app that you can install after getting this hardware wallet, and you would be able to use this hardware wallet using that app, and it can be installed on your mobile device or on your PC or laptop quite easily, and it is quite smooth in order to use this. Also, you would be guided step by step by the app itself to use it. Let's open up this app and see how this looks. So this is how this app will look like. Currently I'm not recording the upper part of this screen where the Canton Network rewards are actually written, how much you will be getting. It is around 2500 worth of dollars, and on the website that we saw earlier, it was just shown around 1500. Even if we get 500 or 600 or even maybe 200 per month for 2 to 3 months, we will be getting all the money back that we spent on this hardware wallet. So we are actually getting this hardware wallet for free. And recently I got these Canton coins for doing just some Twitter tasks, and I got it for free, and these kind of activities might be there in future as well. So I hope this unboxing video of Cypherock X1 was helpful and you got to know what you wanted to know before starting this video. And you can use my referral link to purchase this, and see you in the another video where we will talk more about the rewards.